It is Wednesday, hump day, and it's August 2nd. I'm very excited. We have our first person signed up for the retreat in October, so that's thrilling. I think the rooms are going to go fast in the space, so don't dilly-dally if you're at the least bit interested in the Changing Colors retreat in Maggie Valley up around Waynesville at the Lake Junaluska retreat. It'll be fun. October 7 and 8, 6, 7, 8, really, leaving on 9. All right, let me tell you what came back in today. I ordered these at Market. I got my first shipment in and boom, they were gone. So I called and ordered more of the Knitting National Parks. There are 63 hat patterns in this book, and it is awesome. Awesome. So I just want to give you an example of what is available. Oh, I lost one of my pages. There it is. All right, so just to say, they give you an inspirational picture, and then they show you the hat, and of course the pattern is in there. This is from Washington State. This is Mount Rainier National Park. What a great, love that. And then this one, just as a suggestion, this is the inspiration, the what do you call that? Never mind, my brain's gone. The geyser, right? So this is Yellowstone, and here is the hat. So this is the inspiration. This is the hat. And they go on and on and on. There are 63 patterns. It is a beautiful hardback book. It's like a coffee table book. What a great gift. It's $35. An awesome gift. An awesome gift to yourself. I made sure I got one this time. So anyway, that's my suggestion for today. Knitting the National Parks by Nancy Bates. She put it all together. Love it. All right, things are happening around here. Tonight is bingo because it's the first Tuesday of the month. You hear the door opening and shutting, lots of people coming for social knitting. And then it's bingo from 6 to 7 with prizes. Always fun. All right, remember 4 spaces left in the color retreat for August 13th. So many things coming up. It's just busy, busy, busy. It's good. It's a good thing. It's a lot of organizing, but it's a good thing. And I have to publicly thank Chrissy. Nothing would have gotten done this week, and especially yesterday, without her. All the organization for the Changing Colors retreat in the mountains. She got it all put together, and it is now on the website. So have at it. Would love to have you come with us. But anyway, thank you, Chrissy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Couldn't do it around here without her. For sure. Okay, that's it. I will see you tomorrow.